Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to charge your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So here is my phone S24 Ultra, and first I will look inside the box because we need something from here, and let's open the box. And here inside I have a charging cable and I need this cable to charge my phone. And now I'm back, and also here I have three power adapters. The first one is with 15 watts, the second one is 25 watts, and the third one is 45 watts, and all three power adapters are originals and are from Samsung. Okay. Also here I have a little tool, and with this one I will measure the real power of these three adapters. So first I will test the 15 watts power adapter. And I will put the charging cable inside the power adapter. I will plug in. And now I will connect to this little tool. And also I have enabled fast charging on this phone. And now let's connect this tool to my phone. And as you can see, it's charging. And now let's see the real power, and this is 14 watts. So it's good because this power adapter has 15 watts and the charging power is 14 watts. Okay, now I will disconnect and I will go to the second power adapter. This one has 25 watts. And again, I will connect the charging cable. I will plug in, and now I will connect to my phone. It's charging, and let's see the real power. And we have 23 watts, almost 24 watts. So this is good. Also because this power adapter has 25 watts, and it's a good choice if you want to charge your phone. And the last power adapter, here there is. This one has 14.5 watts. We have here a fast charging power adapter. And again, I will connect to my charging cable. I will plug in, and now let's connect it to my phone. It's charging, and now let's see the real power. And we have only 26 watts. I don't know why. And let's go to my phone, and here the battery percent is 29. So we have a 29% at my battery, but the charging power is only 26 watts. I don't know why, maybe you know the answer. So these are three options if you want to charge your phone. We have here three power adapters. All three are originals from Samsung. You can find the link in the video description and also in the comment area if you want to buy one of these power adapters. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.